Imagine standing on a beach when, in a single second, the entire ocean vanishes. Gone. For exactly 60 seconds. What would you actually see? The ocean holds 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of water. That's 97% of all the water on Earth. And it just disappeared. You're no longer sad. You're no longer looking at a beach. You're staring into the deepest canyon ever seen. A hole almost 11 kilometers straight down. Second one. Billions of fish, whales, and creatures nobody has ever seen lie stranded on the bare, muddy ocean floor. For the first time in history, sunlight reaches the deepest trenches, the midnight zone that has always lived in total darkness, but something invisible is changing. The ocean makes over half the oxygen you breathe, and it just left the planet. And all that missing water has to go somewhere. Where it ends up will matter enormously in about 50 seconds. Hold that thought. Seconds 10 to 30. All the air that sat above the ocean suddenly has a giant empty pit to rush into. The result is wind stronger than any hurricane, tearing across coastlines and flinging dust and debris for hundreds of kilometers. Meanwhile, the exposed seabed releases methane trapped for millions of years, and the air near the ground slowly turns toxic. Seconds 30 to 50. Remember, the ocean was weight, trillions of tons of it pressing down on the Earth's crust. Remove that weight, and the crust rebounds like a mattress. Earthquakes ripple outward, and sleeping volcanoes begin to wake. The entire planet is off balance now, and we are just 10 seconds from the water crashing back. The final 10 seconds. All that water was only held back, and now it is released from every direction at once. A wall of water hundreds of meters high races inward, moving almost as fast as a passenger jet. The collision sends mega tsunamis screaming toward every coast on Earth, reshaping every shoreline in minutes. In 1 minute, the ocean left, and its return would rewrite the surface of our entire world. The ocean isn't just scenery, it's the machine that keeps you alive. Subscribe, and next we'll see what happens if the sun disappears.